Hello, lovers of the good health. Welcome to your favorite channel, Susana Home Remedies. If you like natural remedies and home tips, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. You will love all our posts. If your eyeglasses are scratched, there's no need to discard them. There are many ways to remove scratches without causing further damage. Many of these methods require nothing more than materials found around the house. Did you know that toothpaste can clean your glasses very well? It's simple, and in this channel, I will show you how to do it. So how do you clean your eyeglasses? Please don't tell me that you use your t-shirt. Let's begin. And don't forget to share this video with your friends on Facebook and WhatsApp. I'm sure they will thank you. Use a cotton or soft wool cloth with a little non-abrasive toothpaste to quickly buff away scratches on eyeglasses. Rub the lens gently, moving the cloth in small circles. Continue this motion for around 10 seconds. Rinse with cold water and wipe dry. For a very stubborn scratch, you may also have to repeat the process. Continue until the scratch is completely removed. If you have an anti-scratch coating on your eyeglasses, you may have to rub this off completely first. This will not damage the lens, but will make it more difficult to get to the scratch. Baking soda may also be used in this way. Make a thick paste from baking soda and water. Then, apply the paste with a soft cotton or wool cloth and rub gently in a circular motion. Rinse and wipe the lens dry. Again, the process may have to be repeated for deep or stubborn scratches. Scratches on plastic eyeglasses can be remedied by using Armor Etch, a glass etching compound. The active ingredient, hydrofluoric acid, removes the outer coating on plastic lenses. It should never be used on glass as it can damage the lenses further. For plastic eyeglasses, simply place a thick coating of the compound onto each side of the lens. Allow the glasses to sit for 5 minutes. Rinse and wipe dry. Do not rub the compound into the lenses. The Armor Etch will remove the outer coating and any scratches along with it. Another commercial product that works well for removing scratches from eyeglasses is vehicle cleaning wax. Although it's often used to polish automobiles, it can also fill in and remove scratches on glass and plastic eyeglasses. Apply with a soft, clean cloth and gently buff until the scratches have been removed. You may need to use several cloths as the wax adheres easily to fabric. Windshield water repellents can also be used to remove scratches on eyeglasses. They have the added bonus of repelling dirt and moisture and preventing the glasses from fogging up during temperature changes. Simply apply with a soft cloth and polish gently for a few seconds. This treatment is best for superficial blemishes and may not be effective for deep, penetrating scratches. These methods will remove scratches on eyeglasses, but should be used with care. Make sure to wear gloves and read all manufacturer handling instructions before using any of these products. Never use any abrasive solution on glass, or you risk causing severe damage to the lenses. And there are things you shouldn't have to do to clean your glasses. Hey, why don't you tell me where you're from? I want to know your city and your name. Don't use your shirt tail or other cloth to clean your glasses, especially when lenses are dry. This can scratch your lenses. Don't use saliva to wet your lenses. Don't use household glass or surface cleaners to clean your eyeglasses. These products have ingredients that can damage eyeglass lenses and coatings, such as anti-reflective coating. Don't use paper towels, napkins, tissues, or toilet paper to clean your lenses. These can scratch or smear your lenses or leave them full of lint. Don't try to buff away a scratch in your lenses. This only makes the situation worse. Following the above tips is the best way to keep your glasses clean and scratch-free for as long as possible. I have to say goodbye. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Share the information with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch all our new videos. Stay healthy and happy.